Where can you invest in a quality buy-to-let property within Greater London for under 200k? Bracknell is a prosperous Berkshire town, not far from Windsor Castle and Ascot Racecourse. In the heart of the London commuter belt, it has direct trains to Waterloo and Gatwick Airport, but it's also home to many digital and tech businesses including Vodafone, Hewlett-Packard and Dell. And it has the kind of shopping and entertainment and restaurants that support unprecedented tenant demand and exceptional growth forecasts. Bracknell was featured in the Evening Standard's Where to Buy 2023 guide as the Berkshire tech hotspot where house prices are set to soar. But for now, prices are still great value for money. Aspen Woolf have launched the final allocation of studio 1 and 2 bed apartments at Blue Bracknell. The properties are stylish, modern and high specification with smart technology features, and prices start from just £187,000. You can invest with under £50,000 cash and you won't have to wait to get a return on your investment. All apartments are key ready and fully tenanted, meaning you'll receive an instant income of between 6 and 7% per year. If that sounds like an investment that's up your street, register with Aspen Woolf today for further information.